AMG models are the most expensive and high-performance variant of each Mercedes Benz class. AMG, a story of two men and three letters. In letters AMG, A stands for Aufrecht, M for Melcher, G for Großaspach. Aufrecht and Melcher, name of two German engineers, and Großaspach is birthplace of Aufrecht. In the 1960s, both were working on racing engine development at Daimler Benz motorsport division. Company later discontinued all its motorsport activities, but it could not stop these young motorsports passionate. Both spent time further developing the performance of racing engine 300 SE they started with. In 1965, their colleague attended German Touring Car Championship with this racing engine they developed and won the championship 10 times. This victory formed foundation of their reputation. In 1967, they founded AMG Engine Production and Development Limited. AMG started off by designing and testing racing engines. Later, AMG expanded its business into building custom road cars for standard Mercedes models. Until 1990, AMG offered a variety of engine performance packages, alloy wheels and styling products as an entirely independent company from Daimler Benz. In 1990, AMG signed an agreement with Daimler Benz and AMG Options, and cars were then offered in Mercedes-Benz showrooms. In 1999, Daimler Benz bought the controlling share of AMG, and AMG was renamed to Mercedes AMG. AMG nameplate is a symbol for aggressive look, highest performance, better handling, better stability. Thanks for watching.